What you know about the stock market? What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to drop this quick video to talk about how to get into the stock market, because I've been having a lot of family and friends hit me up asking me different questions. Now, just a disclosure, I'm not a professional trader and I'm not a stockbroker. I do have a few different stocks that I like to invest in, and in another video I'll share my strategies. But for beginners, I think the easiest way to get into the stock market is to first figure out what vehicle you want to use to invest. We have a lot of different vehicles. I find right now Robinhood being the easiest one to get into. You could download it. Is very user friendly. You could use it from your phone. Within the app, you'll be able to select different stocks that may have your interest. Within the app, you'll be able to connect your bank account, and when connecting your bank account, you'll be able to purchase those stocks. I have another app that I'm just becoming familiar with. A friend of mine shared it. It's called Webull. I'll leave both links to these apps in the description below. But more or less, with both of these apps, you will be able to actually be engaged with a company that you may be interested in investing in. These companies that have a price, the price will reflect how much to buy into this company. That's called a share. Some shares actually could receive dividends. Dividends could be paid out quarterly, it could be paid out annually, so on and so forth. To purchase dividend stocks is a great thing to do. Not all companies offer dividends. Reason behind that is because if a company is building their company, they want to put all the money that's earned in profit back into the company so that the company can continue to grow. Pretty much the dividends are being paid out from the companies that offer dividends. They're offering those dividends as a thank you for buying into their company. You're being paid by the money that company, the profit, is making. How I choose stocks is based on the things that I like, things that I understand. I like to travel. I understand how traveling works. I like to invest into traveling stocks. As far as hotels, I like to invest in that. Airplanes, cruise ships, things of that nature. Technology, I like to invest in technology stocks. Tesla, that's a technology company. Apple, things of that nature. Microsoft. And then I also like to invest into entertainment. So movie theaters, so on and so forth. So there's all different type of vehicles that you could use as far as picking a stock that may have your interest. It could be something that you're using day to day, and might as well buy into it, right? If you're out here buying all these Jordans, why not invest in Nike? If you're buying McDonald's every day, why not invest in McDonald's? Through the app, you can actually purchase percentages of stocks. So you'll have, like, let's say one share of McDonald's, hypothetically, it costs $100. You may not have $100. Maybe you got $50. So you could buy a half a share for $50, and you'll basically get paid based on the percentage that you own as well. Now, the name of the game with the stock market is to buy low and sell high. For someone like me that's a long-time investor, I'm not too worried about selling high, at least right now. At the moment, I'm not, because I want to hold on to my investments so that they can actually grow and become bigger over time. Okay. Also, I like to invest in dividend stocks. So besides letting it grow, become bigger over time, I like to reinvest the dividends that I'm making off of these stocks. But I still play that first part of the game, which is buying low. I want to buy low. If I buy low and then the stock drops again, I buy more if I believe in the company, and so on and so forth. My portfolio right now is pretty spread out. It's really diversified, which means I have different things that I'm invested in. But personally, I'm more focused on just selecting 3 to 5 companies and just pouring everything into those 3 to 5 companies. That's my 5 to 10 year plan. Everybody can have different strategies. I could go over some more in a later video. I just kind of wanted to get this information out there that could help the average investor or a newbie that's trying to get into this for the first time. There's other things that you could do with the stock market. People like to often ask, when's a good time to get in? I always say now. With any investment, the time to get in is now. You know, things could go up, things could go down, but for the most part, history shows us that it's always going to go up over the long span of just being around. So get in now, get in where you fit in, get in at a price point where you're comfortable, and you continue to pour into that cup. You know, stock market investing is one of the best forms of investment when it comes to building your safety net, when it comes to building generational wealth, when it comes to building financial independence. It is a vehicle that the rich use to park their money. The stock market, on average, has been known to go up 8 to 12% through generations, so 10-year gaps or whatever the case may be. So with that being said, that's going to give you more money than your savings account. If you're parking your money in a savings account, you're losing money every single day. I have savings accounts. I'm not saying that it's a bad idea to park money into savings accounts. What I'm saying is you don't want to be too vested in parking your money into savings accounts. You also want to find that vehicle, which could be stock market, real estate, whatever it is that you're investing in, to park your money. What I mean by park your money, if you have money that's just sitting there that you're not using, leaving it in a savings account or under your bed in a shoebox is depreciating. What it means by depreciating is losing its value. So instead of having your money lose its value by sitting under that bed in a shoebox or in that savings account, you're better off parking it into something that you believe as an investment vehicle that's going to, on average, give you a 10%, 12%, 8% increase in value. When it's depreciating, you're losing value. When it appreciates, you gain value. I like those apps to invest in, but again, there's a lot of other different vehicles you could lean towards as far as investing in stocks. Most banks offer some type of vehicle or some type of investment program. 401ks is the simplest way to do it if you're at a job. Roth accounts or Roth IRA accounts is another way to do it. So many different vehicles. But more or less, I just wanted to drop that jewel real quick, let you guys know that I'm listening. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comments section. If you guys like that video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to follow me on all social media platforms at MPES_full circle. And be sure to hit me up. Let me know more videos that you guys want me to shoot, more information that I can get out to you guys. And as I learn it, you guys will learn it as well. Remember, this is the journey that I'm on, and I just appreciate everybody for taking that walk with me. Your boy Muciano, signing out.